Today I'm stuffing 35-inch tires with no lift or leveling on that truck. I have the lift kit ready, but gonna put that on afterwards. I just want to see how that fits and what it looks like. Show you guys the tires. 35 by 12.5 R20s, all brand new. I already put one on. It looks pretty big compared to the 33s that are on there now. Got this one done, but putting 2-inch wheel spacers on the back, because when I get the lift on there, those front ones are going to stick out about 1.5 inches once everything's dropped down. So I didn't want these ones to be stuck in there and make it look retarded. So this is going to even it out. And I broke 2 studs, but I'm taking the diff apart to re-gear it and rebuild it anyway to match the gears I'm putting up front. So that actually doesn't even bug me. Well, I finally got them on. It took me a few extra days because it started to rain like crazy. And they stick out pretty good. Got some nice little poke. Let's see the other side. Yeah, all in all, that was a good $3,500 spent, I think. It's really wide from the front, really wide. I might go with more offset rims later, but that'll do for now. Lift kit and re-gear coming up. Now, they do hit the bumper and the inside of the fender because I'm not lifted, and seeing I got a lift coming, I'm not going to bother cranking the keys. I'm literally going to go park it over there and then start putting the lift in this week. But I'll show you guys how and where they hit and rub. Okay, let's turn right. Yeah, just hit there. Yeah, that's not good. I hate that sound. And they hit in here too. Yeah, right there. Let's go check the other side. Yeah, so they're gonna hit here too. And I'll go turn the wheel and see. So, yep. No, they same spot here too. And these ones don't even have spacers on them. So yes, you can put 35 by 12.5s on an OBS Chevy, and you could probably get away with it with cranking the keys, and you would have some rub still, like just my 33s with bottoming out the suspension would scrape here a bit, but this has got a lift kit coming. The back, I'm not sure how far down the suspension would go back here, and see if that would hit, but I'm not really loading this truck up either. It doesn't really haul anything. It's just for hauling ass. But yeah, no, I really like the look of it. You will rub though if you run these and you don't crank it or put some kind of a leveling kit or a small lift on it, or cut it. I could cut this and this. You could cut this for cheap if you don't mind cutting those.